Hey guys, wanted to go through the hits from the break. I'm gonna run through all the cards we pulled. The video's up on Twitter. I was unable to save it down, so figured I'd go through everything real quick with everybody so you get to see what we got. I'll start with the big hits first. Nicky Lopez, Refractor Auto. Mike Yastrzemski, Refractor Auto. Adam Hazley, Orange Refractor Auto, 14/25. Pete Alonso, Blue Rookie Card, 125/150. Griffin Canning, Gold, 21/50 Rookie Card. David Dahl, 162/175 Purple Refractor. So those were the big hits. We'll go through just in case you were had, say, the Padres and wanted to look at all the Tatises that were your way. So Tatis, Alonso, Canning, Crone, Biggio, Hayura, Cano, Trout, Diaz, Keuchel, Turnbull, Rogers, Hayura, Estrada, Kieboom, and Machado. The other thing, as an apology from me for not getting the YouTube thing sorted out right, I threw in an 11th box, so everybody hopefully will come away with a little bit extra. And as always, I like to throw in a couple extras with all the packages too, so we'll just continue going through this. Eloy, Blackman, Kershaw, Lindor, Lane, Scope, Puig, Keller, Odorizzi, Mercado, Beatty, Tatis, Alonso, Anderson, Canning, Cron, Clemens, Bryant, Meadows, Verlander, Naylor, Senzel, Vladdy, Tatis, Rookie Card, Family Business, Chavis, Yastrzemski, Rookie Debut, Vladdy, Reynolds, Biggio, and Acuna, Family Business. Chavis, Yastrzemski, Vladdy, Vlad Sr., Reynolds, Biggio, Eloy, Riley, Beatty, Lane Thomas, and a little Oscar Mercado that was sliding out there. Donaldson, Martin, Arenado, Yelich, Hernandez, Vlad Guerrero, Family Business Rookie Card, Canning, Nicky Lopez, Trout, Bell, Yastrzemski, Kaboom, Arez, Senzel, Chavis, Acuna, another Alonso. Kikuchi, Smith, Quantrill, Paddock, Bellinger, Bryant, Meadows, Naylor, Senzel, Duplanter, Vladdy, Austin Riley, Nate Lopez, Chavis, Yastrzemski, Biggio, Guerrero, Rookie Debut. So, a ton of rookie cards in here. Mercado, Odorizzi, Merrifield, Pudge, Scope, Yastrzemski, Reynolds, Biggio, Guerrero, Rookie Debut, Guerrero, Family Business, Riley, Eloy, Keller, Beatty, Lane Thomas. 4 more to go. We got Pence, Reynolds, Marte, Alonso, Canning, Cron, Tatis, Clemens, Eloy, Riley, Scope, Puig, Keller, Mercado, Beatty, Cal, Helsley, Santana, Donaldson, Corbin, Canning, Nicky Lopez, Trout, Kaboom, Senzel, Chavis, Alonso, Arez, Acuna, and Bueller. Donaldson, Martin, Arenado, Bench, Lopez, Kaboom, Trout, Bell, Avila, Dahl, Hayura, Estrada, Kaboom, Yelich and Castillo. And the last box, Lowe, Chavis, Yastrzemski, Austin Riley, Paddock, Smith, Quantrill, Paddock, Kikuchi, Senzel, Duplanter, Vladdy, and Corbin Martin. So I'm going to get these all squared away. I'm going to sleeve and top load the big rookie cards, Alonso, Tatis, Senzel, Guerrero, all those guys, Hayura, Riley, and get them shipped out. So thanks for joining. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up on eBay or on Twitter at Prospect Chase. And hopefully we'll do this again soon. Thanks, guys.